Another simple and easy one pot meal. I'm going to show you how to do tortilla pockets. For this recipe I'm using 1 packet of tortilla wraps, or you can use normal wraps instead. Salt and pepper, about 250 grams tuna boiled with salt and pepper, and I flaked it. 5 boiled potatoes, some spring onions, few cloves of garlic, 1 tomato, 1 onion, and few green chilies. Chilies are always optional. So let's start doing this. First let's cut the vegetables. Garlic, onion, and the tomato. Green onions, and the chilies. Put the potatoes into a bowl, mash it using a fork. Put a pan on the stove and add about a tablespoon oil. Into that add the garlic and the onions. Stir fry 2 minutes. After, add the tomatoes, green onions and the chilies. Stir fry well. Into that add the salt and pepper and a bit of stock powder. Stir. If you like to add any other spices, feel free to add any. After, add the tuna. Stir. And into that add the mashed potato. Now let's do the parcels or the pockets. For that, add a spoonful of the mix into the middle. It depends on how you like it. You can add less or more. Then seal the ends. Fold the ends to the middle and then take the other end and slowly turn it over like this. Before cooking, it's best that you make the pockets. So I finished doing them. Now you can do this in the oven or in a pan. I'm going to do it in a pan. If you are doing it in the oven, you need to spray or brush some oil on top or some eggs. So put some oil into a pan. And put the rolls in. After, turn it over to the other side and cook on both sides, turnings few times until golden brown. Once it is golden brown, transfer that onto a wire rack to cool down or serve immediately with some tomato sauce or chutney. So they are ready, and I cut one to show you how it looks like. It's with lots of fish and veggies. You can alternate with any other veggie that you have in your fridge. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.